My name is Dave Reichen, owner of Envision 3D Studio. I'm located in Victoria, British Columbia. I supply 3D models for the museums, movie industry. I make 3D signs and I supply fiberglass fish replicas. So I do custom molding and casting. Say for example you needed a certain species for the museum as a display. If a specimen is available, you can send me the specimen. I'll make a custom mold, pull the cast out of the mold. So I'll use some reference material and photographs and use an airbrush or other techniques used to recreate it as accurate as possible. I have models as small as 3/4 of an inch. I have miniature models, a lot of fiberglass fish replicas. I made a 19-foot orca for a museum up in Port Hardy. It was all hand sculpted with a chainsaw and a belt sander. But now with the introduction of a CNC, computer numerical controller, you can create a file and that file is transferred to the CNC and it can actually cut the model in pieces. So it can cut aluminum, wood, styrofoam, high density urethane. So it takes a lot of the hand sculpting away from the way it used to be. So I won't have to use a chainsaw anymore. I've done a lot of museum work in Alaska, the UK, Germany, across Canada, and some places in the US. I have a catalog that's available online that's downloadable, and there's probably about 300 different molds available, different species, different sizes, and some very unique models as well. So if you come to me with a concept, say you wanted a 3D sculpture for your museum, if you bring it on a piece of paper, we can design it. We can make a maquette out of clay and scan a model and scale it up to any size that's required. So if you have a project in mind or a sketch, just contact us. Feel free to ask more questions and give us a call.